Hello children, Ravisa here. Welcome back to the fifth session of Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts, the second chapter in the history section of your social science textbook for class 10. Dear children, in today's session we shall continue with the traditional handicrafts of India, wherein we shall discuss the leatherwork, metalwork and woodwork as the ancient art forms of India. First, let's begin with the leather work. Children, since ancient times, leather industry has a prominent place in India. Since long, leather is used to make mashak, that is a leather bag to carry water, kos, a leather bag to draw water from well, drum, dholak, tabla, bellows used by the blacksmiths, various types of footwears, leather belts, etc. Leather was also used to prepare shields used during wars. Even today, the well-knitted mojadi of Rajasthan, wallets, saj, palan, lagam made of leather are much in use. Right. So children, this was the leather work. Now let's move on to metal work. Metal Age began after the Stone Age. Metal work is an ancient art of India. The artisans of Lothal made different metal instruments. लोथल के कलाकार अलग अलग प्रकार के मेटल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बनाते थे, जैसे कि सिकल, ड्रिल, नीडल फ्रॉम कॉपर एंड ब्रॉन्ज. They also made metal ornaments, utensils, idols, arms and ammunitions. They used gold and silver for making ornaments. गोल्ड और सिल्वर मेटल का इस्तेमाल गहने बनाने में होता था. ब्रॉन्ज एंड ब्रास फॉर यूटेंसिल्स एंड आइडल्स. पीतल और कांसे का इस्तेमाल बर्तन और मूर्तियां बनाने में होता था, while iron for making arms and ammunitions. जबकि आयरन का इस्तेमाल, लोहे का इस्तेमाल शस्त्र सरंजाम बनाने में होता था. Right? After the metal work, now let's move on to woodwork. Woodwork is a very ancient art of India. In the beginning, wood was used as a firewood, then for making weapons and then for construction purposes. Gradually, it was used for making idols, toys, wooden pillars, windows and doors, small herds, thrones, chairs and grills. In this way, wood carving developed in India. Wooden furniture like swings and cupboards of Idar and Sankheda in Gujarat is very famous. So dear children, with this we have completed the discussion of all the art forms of traditional handicraft. Right. From the next session, we shall switch over to the fine arts. Okay? Till then, wish you all the very best with today's learning. Bye.